Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to install your M-LOK rail on whichever firearm that you're using. I happen to be using a Ruger PC Carbine, but any of our ones that use a M-LOK rail system will work with this setup here. Whatever type of firearm you're using, you want to make sure it's unloaded. I'm going to physically and visibly check that my chamber is empty. I've got it pointed in a safe direction. I don't have any magazines with the gun, so I'm clear. No worries about live ammunition. The rail system is pretty simple. They include if you have a sling swivel, it has an adapter that you can just change out this middle screw, but it's very simple. Just going to put on my safety glasses. It doesn't matter where on this I insert this. I get these little mounts lined up square, and I'm just going to insert this. I'm going to just go on the bottom here. Line this up. It'll engage, and then I'm just going to take my hex head driver, and I'm just going to snug these up. There's no specific torque mount to put this on. You just want to make sure it's tight enough so where it's not going to loosen up with use, but don't go crazy. I'm just going to bring these up snug. Get them all about even. So you can position this anywhere you want, but now I've mounted this on here. I can attach a light, a laser, bipod to my rail system. Thanks for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.